Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how you can factory wipe your iPhone or iPad. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And remember, I'll be doing a contest once I reach 2,000 subscribers. Once I reach that mark, I'll be giving away 2 Amazon gift cards. All you need to do to enter is be subscribed and comment down below and let me know you want to be entered in the contest. So today's video, how to wipe or factory wipe iPhones and iPads. You may be asking yourself, what is factory wipe? How do I do it? What's involved? So factory wipe is basically wiping your device and taking it all the way back to when you got the phone. So it wipes out all your personal information. So this may be helpful if you want to sell your phone to somebody on Facebook Marketplace, if you want to sell it to a store, if you want to trade it in. This will just show you how to wipe everything so that when you do trade it in or sell it, all your stuff will be gone, all of it will be deleted. You don't have to worry about having any personal information left on your phone or iPad. So what you want to do is you want to go into settings for me. So click on the gear. The second thing is you want to sign out of iCloud. So if you're signed into iCloud, click on your name right here. Scroll all the way down until you click on sign out. It's going to ask you for your password. Put your password in for your Apple ID and just click on turn off. What that will do, it'll sign you out. It may ask you to confirm if you would like to sign out. Just hit sign out. Once that's done, I want you to click on general in your settings menu. Scroll all the way down until you see reset. Click on that. And you have a couple options here. I want you to click on erase all content in settings. So if you click on that, you won't get this message. Some of my documents are still being uploaded to iCloud, but it will say erase now. And if you hit erase now, it may ask you for your iPhone passcode. Put that in. It may confirm if you would like to wipe your iPhone. Just hit yes. Once you do that, it'll completely wipe your iPhone. All your information will be erased. And basically, you'll be setting it up as if you would set up a new iPhone or iPad. So that was it. That was just a quick tutorial on how to wipe your iPhone or iPad. Again, this is just for if you sell your device, if you're giving it to somebody, you're trading it in. Please just don't do this for fun because it will wipe your device completely. It will get rid of everything that you have saved. So hopefully that helped. It was just a quick video. If it did, give it a like, hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button and remember to enter that contest, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.